Hey, to put the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 into the pairing mode, first of all you'll have to input left and the right earbud inside, and you have to be sure that you've got this green indicator when you close the case. Then you will have to open it and you will have to click and hold this button at the bottom of the charging case until this indicator starts blinking with the red, green and blue. And now as you can see, I've got this quick connection, but if for some reason you don't have this notification, you will have to open the boot settings on your phone, turn it on, and now from available devices you will have to select the Galaxy Buds 3. So tap on them once, accept this pairing request, and there we go. Now I'm also connected into Galaxy wearable application because I just downloaded a few moments ago. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.